Want to know more about Malaysian food and cuisine? The Malaysian cuisine reflects the country's diversity. Chinese, Indian, and Southeast Asian flavors represent the Malaysian cuisine, a great mix of ingredients, techniques, and flavors. It's no secret that locals are proud of their food since everything is so delicious. Typical Malaysian food has some of the best flavor combinations in the world, from the street food in Georgetown to Indian food and Muslim food along the western coast. Malaysia offers some of the most delicious dishes I've ever tasted. Malay food is strong, spicy, and aromatic, combining the rich tastes of the many herbs and spices commonly found in Southeast Asia. It is one of 3 major cuisines in Malaysia, and together with Chinese and Indian food, continually delight visitors to the country with its incredible variety and flavors. The Malays' qualities inform their cooking. Food preparation can be a communal affair among the Malays, and it is not uncommon during major festivals or events to see neighbors in a kampong or village gathered around a big pot stirring up beef rendang or chicken curry. Malay food is often eaten with the hands. No implements are needed. Diners simply scoop mouthfuls of rice mixed with curry, vegetables, or meat onto their palms, and then ladle this into their mouths with the back of their thumbs. It is an art to keep the rice from escaping through the fingers, but with some practice, it can be mastered. Rice is the staple in a Malay meal, and just as in many other Southeast Asian countries, it is usually eaten together with meat and vegetable dishes, curries, and condiments like the Malay sambal sauce. During a typical Malay lunch or dinner, these dishes are placed in the center of the table to be shared by all the diners.